When I was 10-year old, I would help my mother to work in the field. Our family was dependent on farming, from buying basic needs to sending me to school. However, things changed when I turned 14. My father left for another place to work and support our family. We could no longer grow any crops. Our field became empty and barren. But I had no idea why that was happening to our family. Now I'm a 21-year-old majoring in environmental science. Climate change was the principal factor for the decline in the crop production, but we can rejuvenate the soil fertility through the collective effort from the government, NGOs, local government, plus the farmers themselves, because environmental restoration is everyone's responsibility.